death is not a hard thing for me. I am completely at ease with the diagnosis of 3 months. I'm headed to heaven. I know that for a fact. So this is not going to be so hard.
A friend of mine, Russ Huber, he got up one morning and he couldn't walk. And so they had to take him to the hospital, and they started running a whole battery of tests on him, and he was terminal, and this would be his last Christmas with his family. He was okay with everything. He knew where he was going. That's when it really caught my eye. Like, he wasn't afraid. He was working on a letter that just explained salvation and how simple salvation was. And so he sent that letter home with me one night from the hospital, and I read the letter and accepted it in my heart as much as I could at that moment. But, a few months later, Russ passed away, and a lot of Russ's friends, they tried to get me to come to church, but just seemed pushy, seemed forced. And the more they pushed, the more I pushed away, because I was at a pretty dark place in my life at that point. Sherry and I got to a point where our relationship had grown really cold.
As things got worse, darker, we started to hit some bumps. I think the married life got harder. I think I was struggling with being a mom.
When we sit down and start talking about it, we were both done. We were both just at the end of our rope. We were both ready to give up.
I started to wonder, is this all that there is in life?
It just kept getting harder. We thought divorce was coming. I couldn't sleep. I couldn't eat. I lost 25 pounds, and quite frankly, my mind just was never at peace. And that's when I started listening to the Bible. I can remember pretty vividly driving around one day and listening to 1 Corinthians 13 and thought, wow, I couldn't come up with a better definition of love if I'd tried. Like, it was perfect. It was absolutely perfect. And I remember coming home so excited to Sherry, because at that point I knew God was real. And that's when I remembered the letter my friend had wrote. And so we went and got it and printed it out, and we read through it together, and we both gave our lives to Christ together.
To know that there was more out there for us, that there is somebody that loves us so much, that wants to see us healed, to see us flourish, and to know that there was hope. I think it was the biggest thing for us, to know that there was hope.
The more we started to read God's Word and understand that it was truth, we started to untangle this web of lies that, quite frankly, both of us were believing. Being able to do plans together as a husband and wife, being able to do plans together as a family, our marriage flourished. It got better and better and sweeter and sweeter.
If we didn't have the Bible app, I don't think our marriage would have gotten on the right track.
I think it's helped us be consistent. It's helped us to be intentional. It's helped us to be faithful. I think the best piece of advice I could give anyone is keep God at the center of your marriage. He's got a good plan for you. He's got a good plan for your marriage.